Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for music gear reviews, home studio setups, drum kit breakdowns, and music tech overviews. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a feature-packed electronic drum kit, the Alesis Nitro Pro Electric Drum Set. For drummers, home studio producers, apartment dwellers, and students looking for a quiet, highly responsive mesh electronic drum set that bridges the gap between affordable practice tools and authentic acoustic feel, finding the right kit is essential. The Alesis Nitro Pro addresses this directly by introducing deep dual-zone mesh drumheads, double kick compatibility, Bluetooth streaming, and BFD sound samples. At the core of the Nitro Pro is its upgraded drum pad architecture. Featuring a 10-inch dual-zone deep mesh snare and 3 8-inch dual-zone mesh toms, these quiet, tunable mesh heads replicate the natural rebound and feel of acoustic drums while enabling separate head and rim triggering. Low-end performance is anchored by an 8-inch mesh kick drum tower. Designed to sit firmly without slipping, the wide mesh surface easily accommodates double bass pedals for high-speed metal or rock drumming, while the included single-chain drive pedal works right out of the box. Cymbal dynamics offer expressive control across your setup. Equipped with 3 10-inch cymbal pads for hi-hat, crash, and ride, both the crash and ride pads feature choke functionality, allowing you to instantly mute the cymbal tail just like an acoustic setup. Sound variety is driven by the BFD-powered Nitro Pro drum module. Packed with over 500 studio-quality sounds, 36 preset kits, and 16 user-assignable kit slots, you can dial in punchy rock kits, crisp pop sets, or percussion setups for any music genre. Modern connectivity makes daily practice effortless. Built-in Bluetooth audio lets you pair your smartphone or tablet wirelessly to stream backings and lessons directly through your headphones, supported by a convenient integrated device holder right on the rack. Recording and software integration are fully supported via USB MIDI and traditional 16-channel MIDI ports. Connect straight into your favorite digital audio workstation to trigger virtual instruments or use the included BFD player software for studio recording. Frame stability and ergonomic layout are anchored by an extended 4-post steel rack. Built stronger and taller than entry-level frames, the reinforced rack keeps pads securely mounted during heavy playing sessions while offering quick height adjustments for drummers of all sizes. Featuring tunable dual-zone mesh heads, double kick tower support, 500+ BFD sounds, Bluetooth connectivity, and a robust steel rack, the Alesis Nitro Pro delivers a versatile electronic drumming experience. If you enjoy this Alesis Nitro Pro technical overview and feature breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What kit setup are you running in your studio?